Maintenance reports provide insights into maintenance activity that you can analyze and distribute to other teammates and departments. UpKeep provides a series of pre-made reporting dashboards that you can use to track work order statuses by assigned technicians, locations, assets, teams, and work order categories. For each dashboard, you can export a graph that visualizes trends or export all work order data to a PDF. In this PDF, you can view total maintenance costs needed to complete work orders for a specific time span. You can also view total wrench time and time to complete. Another report you can view is the work order breakdown. It shows you the status and priority of all existing work orders. Clicking the total work orders box shows you the average time to complete a work order, the average cost to complete a work order, planned work percentage, and more. These are high-level insights that you can share with team leaders and department heads. To tailor data to your specific needs, you can create a custom report. Within this report, you can add a series of modules that display the information that's most important to you and your maintenance team. In this module, we'll display data about repeating work orders and break it out by the assigned technician. After this, we can apply filters to the module to make the data more specific, like showing data for the past 6 months instead of only the past month. When the first module is created, we can add more modules that display other information about PMs. To start creating maintenance reports, create a free UpKeep account, then upgrade to a professional or Business Plus plan.